Headphones. Headphones really helped me talk, probably. Yeah, that's probably why I can talk in videos, because I don't have my freaking headphones. Well, I don't have I think maybe just. Okay, that's loud. God darn it, man. Loud as hell. What the heck? Uh, why? Hi guys. Well, I can't really anyways, The freak! Invite me, dude. Okay. I don't know invite their friends, okay? I barely have any friends. I barely know any of them. Wait, let's see. Okay, it's loading already. Good. I just want to get here. And I probably cut the thing short because I want to ask my mom if I want to go to my friend's house. And I can't bring my mom's iPad Pro, so what the heck? I kind of don't wish I could, because that would be bad. What if I lost it? No, that's why parents barely want you to play with your things in. Oh, I wanna pet your cat. What the heck, man? I wanna pet the freaking cat, man. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna thank the bus driver. Can I thank the bus driver? Probably can't. Can anybody hear me? Okay, guys, so we're going. Ooh, Twitter. Ooh, I've never been over here before, but we're landing on it. So we don't really need that. And right here, by the chest. Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm rich. I'm really rich. I'm just kidding. I'm not in real life, but could say I am if you want to. That would make me feel happy. This was a lot of money off the house, but doesn't really matter to me. Because I'm not the one who bought it, so can't really care about it. But I love it, because it's home. Whoa, is this a good gun? I think it is. Wait, is there another freaking... What the hell? Okay, I thought somebody was here, so... Keep out this gun. The frick? What is wrong with you, dude? I think something's wrong with this person. Okay, let's go, people! Oh, I wish I could, jump on that so I could go faster. Maybe I can. No, not really. Dang it. Farts. Don't know why I said that, but farts. Aww. Just embarrassed myself by farting. Dang it. I mean, nothing. I didn't do anything. Sorry, I'm sorry. I just said that. Why me? Ooh. I'm on it. Okay. We could take away this. Okay, and... No. Okay. Let's make those. Okay. These a deck. Is that a cell phone? I don't have cell phones. They haven't even agreed. We are going on top of the world. I'm just kidding. Is that a new? Is no. Oh, I have it. No, I want this. I want to be good. That. I shouldn't have that, actually. think he has to get out of the water or something. Ah, it's going good. Yeah, I didn't know there was like cars like these in Fortnite. It's kind of like a car, but it's not. So I kind of want this. Okay, stay here. Didn't find anything. Gonna drink this shield potion by my car. Okay. Let's go. Ow. I don't know what the heck that sound is. The heck? I don't know why. Why is this so weird? Like, what made that sound? If it makes that sound, tell me in the comments. I'll read them. Don't worry. I'll read them. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! 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 Oh crap! Oh crap! Okay. A-hole. Kind of an a-hole. But she's not, so. Just, protecting yourself, because she's bad, and I'm good, Each other. Like, good ways to freaking dummy. Or, hello, you like that. I'm not gonna say bad words, because I'm a good person. I don't say anything really bad. No, I don't really. But I'm just gonna take my gun out, since I got caught that freaking last time. Okay, but see, it doesn't really have. I want it, I want it, I really want it. No, she had it. I got a good gun. Who took it? Oh. I was like, when second I look around at this gun. Easy. I killed you, haha. I don't know what the heck sounds are these. What the? Whoa. These are kind of weird sounds I never heard in Fortnite before. I'm sorry if you know these sounds of Fortnite, but I don't. Ooh, I know that sound. Oh my god. Oh, let's go, let's go. Did I go? Yeah, I'm dead. Dang it. I'm dumb. I'm done. I'm dumb. I swear to God. Okay, I'm dumb. I really am. That would have got me pretty good. The heck? The heck? Okay, and no. This won't work at all. I wish these things were real. But they aren't, so fart me. That's a good idea. Go, 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 go. So I'm not actually gonna win, so. This. Dang it. Wow, I didn't even notice. Okay, let's stop playing Fortnite. Well,